Introduction to the production line for aerosol can top and bottom ends. Aerosol cans are essential components in various industries, including personal care, household products, and automotive applications. The production of aerosol cans involves several intricate processes, one of which is the manufacturing of the top and bottom ends, also known as end caps. This article provides an overview of the production line specifically designed for the top and bottom ends of aerosol cans. Overview of aerosol can ends. The top and bottom ends of aerosol cans serve critical functions. The top end typically features a valve system that allows for the controlled release of the product inside, while the bottom end provides structural integrity and stability. These components must be manufactured to high standards to ensure safety, reliability, and compatibility with the can body. Production line components. The production line for aerosol can ends consists of several key components. 1. Material preparation. The process begins with the selection of appropriate materials, usually aluminum or steel. These materials are pre-processed to achieve the desired thickness and quality. 2. Stamping and cutting. The prepared materials are fed into a stamping machine, which cuts and shapes them into the necessary form for the top and bottom ends. This step requires precision to ensure that the ends fit perfectly with the can body. 3. Forming and curling. Once cut, the ends undergo a forming process where they are shaped to create the necessary contours. The edges are then curled to create a secure seal when the ends are attached to the can body. 4. Coating. After forming, the ends may be coated with a protective layer. This coating not only enhances corrosion resistance, but also allows for branding and labeling. 5. Quality control. Throughout the production line, rigorous quality control measures are in place. Each batch is tested for structural integrity, dimensional accuracy, and surface quality to meet industry standards. Automation and technology. Modern production lines for aerosol can ends increasingly rely on automation and advanced technologies. Automated systems improve efficiency, reduce human error, and ensure consistent product quality. Robotics may be used in handling, assembling, and packaging, allowing for a streamlined production process. Environmental considerations. As sustainability becomes a priority in manufacturing, many production lines are adopting eco-friendly practices. This includes using recyclable materials, reducing waste, and implementing energy-efficient technologies. Manufacturers are also exploring innovations such as biodegradable coatings. Conclusion. The production line for aerosol can top and bottom ends is a critical part of the aerosol can manufacturing process. By focusing on precision, quality control, and technological advancements, manufacturers can ensure that these essential components meet safety and performance standards. As industries evolve, the demand for efficient and sustainable production methods will continue to shape the future of aerosol can end manufacturing.